Hello, Bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says correct order of decreasing boiling point is. So there are few species and the species are different and we have to find out the correct order of decreasing boiling point. So let's do the question. Bachcho, boiling point is directly proportional to the intermolecular force of attraction. ठीक है? Intermolecular force of attraction. Greater the intermolecular force of attraction, so greater will be your boiling point. So in the first case, it is the comparison between hydrogen fluoride HCl, HBr and HI. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे if you see in case of hydrogen fluoride due to the strong electronegativity of fluorine the force of attraction is hydrogen bonding ठीक है which is very strong. But in the rest of the cases, as you go down the group, electronegativity will decrease and therefore the force will be now van der Waals force of attraction that will come into play. ठीक है van der Waals force of attraction. Now electronegativity will not play a role. ठीक है it is the van der Waals force of attraction and this is directly proportional to the mass and size. Greater the mass and greater the size, van der Waals force of attraction will be greater and greater will be the boiling point. ठीक है तो बच्चों अगर हम यहाँ पे विल कंपेयर HCl टू HI तो HI will have the highest boiling point then HBr and then HCl based on van der Waals force of attraction. लेकिन जब हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग आता है this is the more strong force of attraction so HF will be have higher boiling point than all of this. So this is the correct order decreasing order of boiling point that is given in the question. ठीक है Similarly, in option B, if you compare the boiling point of water H2S, H2SE and H2TE, टेलुराइड एंड सेलेनाइड ठीक है तो यहाँ पे भी हम देखेंगे कि वाटर के केस में ड्यू टू द स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हियर द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर विल बी हाईएस्ट among this but down the group due to the decrease in the electronegativity and increase in the van der Waals force of attraction hydrogen telluride will be the higher boiling point than the corresponding selenide and sulfide. So this is the decreasing order of boiling point in this case and it is also correctly mentioned in the question. Now come to C. It is F2Cl2 ठीक है and Br2 तो बच्चों यहाँ पे तो force of attraction is only van der Waals force of attraction ठीक है यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा van der Waals force of attraction ही होगा the intermolecular force is only van der Waals force of attraction and as you go down the group as size increases van der Waals force of attraction will increase down the group and boiling point also increases. So bromine has the highest boiling point, then chlorine, and then fluorine. So it is also correctly given. In case of D, it is the methane CH4, then it is SiH4 and germanium hydride. So here the according to van der Waals force of attraction down the group van der Waals force of attraction will increase and similarly boiling point also increases. तो यहाँ पे आपका boiling point का trend क्या होना चाहिए germanium hydride has the highest boiling point then silicon hydride and then methane. So this should be the correct order and it is not given correctly. So the correct answer is A, B and C. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.